Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about graphics cards. Now, one of my subscribers asked me a question, and that was a very good question. And any question that one wished to ask me, whether it be on one of my videos or text message or phone calls, it doesn't matter how you deliver it. I have no problem in answering a question if you have one. So never fear of asking me a question. However, this person wanted to know that they said, well, I'm thinking about building an Intel system. Do I have to use an AMD video card for it? Or can I use an Intel card with it? And the answer is yes. You don't have to match up AMD with AMD and Intel with NVIDIA. You can change it up however you want to change it up. So I'm going to bring up a website, newegg.com, and I want to show you what I mean by that. So say like if you come here and you want to start building a system and you want to start with, let's say, an Intel system. So you're going to come to newegg.com, and Newegg has a very nice way of trying to find the components or parts you need for your computer system. So you want to come to components, and I usually start with the motherboard. You can start with the CPU if you want. It doesn't matter. There's no right or wrong way to start out, just whatever your preference of starting out is. And say like you want to build an Intel system or a motherboard. So you're going to come to Intel motherboards and click on that. And this will show you all the Intel motherboards that they have currently in stock. Now, if you want to tweak it down to where you go by socket size, this is where you would click on that. So let's just say we want to go with a LGA 1200. These are the motherboards here. Now, you don't really have to worry about price when it comes to motherboards. That's not going to affect your choice of graphics cards or what'll work, because when you're building a computer, everything is strictly budget. Unless you just got plenty of money, like, well, the sky's the limit when it comes to building my motherboard, I don't care about price, then hey, so be it, whatever floats your boat. But you don't have to really worry about price. There are sacrifices when you have to worry about prices on motherboards, but other than that, you can buy whatever motherboard you want to buy if it has the features that you're looking for. So even if I wanted to, I would say even if you wanted to buy this motherboard here, which is for only $79, and then if you wanted to go back and you wanted to choose your video card, you will go to components, video cards, and video devices, desktop graphics cards. And then from here, you can choose NVIDIA, AMD, let's just say AMD. You can choose any one of these cards. Now, the way prices are with graphics cards right now, they're sky high. They are ridiculously high. And a lot of these places are actually charging you for shipping. So when you come to look at some of these components, whether it's the graphics card or motherboard, make sure you see if they're charging you shipping. Some are not charging you shipping. If it's shipped by Newegg, most of the time they don't charge you shipping. But in other cases, this one is, like this particular graphics card is shipped by Newegg, and they're charging you $10 shipping. So you want to be careful about watching that. But if I wanted to drop a AMD card in here, it's like this $269 graphics card into an Intel system, then I can do that. The same goes is if I wanted to put in an NVIDIA graphics card. Let's say like this right here. It's expensive. But if I want to drop this in there, then I can drop that in on this system right here. No problem. No issues. The same goes as if I wanted to build an AMD system. I will come here, choose AMD system. Once again, this is your socket type. And if I wanted this particular motherboard, if I didn't want to put in an NVIDIA graphics card because they are expensive like a lot of other cards, and I just wanted to, I could do a $459 MSI Radeon RX 6600 8GB video card, then I can do that. Or if I decided that, well, I'm going to cheapen out on the motherboard, just not, when I say cheap, I don't mean it in a bad way. I just mean that you're trying to save money on one thing and probably put more money towards something else, then you can do that. It's all up to you. Any motherboard and any graphics card combo will work. It just depends on what price you want to spend and how much you want to spend on the system. I just wanted to clear that up in case any of you may have been getting false indications from the internet or people telling you false information about, no, you cannot use this motherboard on this graphics card. That is just simply not true. You can use any motherboard on any graphics card and any graphics card together. So I hope this clears things up for you, and I hope you understand that if you want to build a customized system to your liking, when it comes to you using the graphics card and the motherboard, you can mix it up however you want to mix it up. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, peace out.